Welcome back to the CML TV, a go-to channel where you can find all things when it comes to gardening, cooking, DIY, lifestyle vlogs, and much more. Today I am going to be preparing some saltfish rundown, but the first thing I'm going to do is to put the coconut milk on the fire to start simmering down. Now I had a little bit of coconut milk in my refrigerator. I'm going to see if this can be used. So I got the coconut milk from a very mature coconut that I used for cooking maybe a week ago, and I had some left over, so I refrigerated it, and now I am using it. I am now preparing my pot for the saltfish, which is going to be the main ingredient of today's main course. So I am now washing the saltfish to get rid of some of the excess salt. So depending on the size of your pot, you can either cut the saltfish in smaller pieces to hold in your pot, or you can put it in as big as you want it to. Overall, it doesn't really matter, as long as you get the saltfish to boil. So here I am putting my saltfish in this little pot right here, and after it started boiling, I removed the pot, and I'm going to be draining this water off, and then I will just add some cold water in another container, and then I will clean the saltfish, break it into smaller pieces. Alright, so I'm just going to pour some water on it right now to cool it down a little bit. And this is totally optional. You can boil your saltfish maybe 2 or 3 times, depending on the thickness and how salt it is. But I am doing this like 1 time, because the last time I cooked saltfish, I boiled it 2 times and it did not have a lot of salt in it. So here I am now using a knife. You can also use a fork or a spoon, whatever your preference is. I just use anything that is close by. The last time I used a spoon. Alright, so I am just taking off the scales and I'm just adding it in the cold water beneath this container. This water is going to be drained off, and remember I said it's totally optional if you want to boil your saltfish more than 2 times. If you boil it 2 times, all you have to do is just to put it in the cold water and just cut it into small pieces like what I'm going to be doing right now. So the little bit of coconut milk has now boiled down to the custard, and I am now adding in the saltfish. cups of water to the 3 cups of rice. It all depends on how you prefer your rice. If you love it shelly, say for example you're using 4 cups of rice, you will add 4 cups of water. And if you like your rice to be on the fluffiest side, you'd add a little bit more water, maybe a half a cup more.